Hello everyone, welcome to Medha Care. So in this video we'll discuss the question from JEE Advanced 2026. So in this question you see we have an ideal gas, 0.5 mole of an ideal gas, initially at 2 bar pressure, and it compressed at a constant temperature of 600 Kelvin in 2 steps. That means this is not a reversible process. In 2 steps they have compressed the gas. First against a constant external pressure P, where P is in between 8 and 2, and then against a constant external pressure 8 bar. At each step the compression is stopped only when the pressure of the gas becomes equal to external pressure. That means they have added some stopper at that particular pressure. So the work done of the gas in this step is W, considering all possible values of P between 2 to 8 are taking and gas constant R, the minimum value of W in Joule. So to solve this question, what we will do, we will try to draw the plot of PV plot for this process, and we will try to understand that how much actually work done happened if we are doing that one, this compression in 2 steps. So let us draw the diagram first, the plot of P and V. So here I am trying to plot PV. So here I am trying to draw the PV plot. So initially, see, initial pressure was 2 bar. So I am considering that this pressure is the initial pressure. Here it is 2 bar, and somewhere between the pressure is P, and then the pressure is 8. Okay. So if you just consider this one as ideal gas, so this is ideal gas. So if you know the pressure at 2 bar, what is the volume? That one I am considering volume 1. Volume 1 will be mole of the gas is 0.5, R, temperature given 600 Kelvin. So I am considering 600, and then pressure is 2. That will come 600 by 4. So that is 150 R. So that is our V1. So in this case, V1, for example, consider here is the V1. So this is our V1, P1, V1. So this is our first state of the system. And then we are considering V2, where the pressure is P. So in that case, it will be 0.5 into R into 600 divided by P. P is the pressure here, and then it will be 300 R by P. So that is our V2. Consider here is the V2 and this is the P. So this is our second state. And third one, here we are considering V3. V3 is at pressure 8. So it will be 0.5 into R into 600 by 8. So 600 by 8. So this one is 75 by 2R. And so this is our third volume, that is V3. This is our third state. Now we are compressing this gas, not in a reversible process. So we will not go in this isothermal path. We are not going into this isothermal path. We are doing it in multiple steps. So as we are doing this compression at multiple steps, so as you know, so in this case, the first case, work done will be minus P external delta V. That means this one will be the work done in the first step. This area will be the work done in the first step, and the second step work done will be this area. This area will be work done for the second step. Now we don't know what is P. P is in between 2 and 8. So P can be anything. So we have to get the minimum work done. So first we try to understand the work done here in this process. So W will take the modulus of the magnitude only for the W, total work done. So that one will be P external delta V in the first process. So P external is P and delta V is what? Is V1 minus V2. I am only considering the positive value, V1 minus V2. Okay. Plus the next step, external pressure is 8. That is V2 minus V3. So I will put the values. Now here we have P. V1 we got. V1 is 150 R and V2 is 300 R by P plus 8 into here V2 given 300 R by P minus V3 is 75 by 2R. Now if you simplify the equation, that will come 150 R into P minus 300 R plus 8 into 300 R by P minus 300 R. Now we have to get the minimum work. We don't know the pressure. So what I will do? I will do the derivative of W with respect to P. So at minimum value, this one will be 0. So if I do the derivative, so it will be 150 R and this one will be 0 plus minus this one will be 8 into 300 R by P square. So if this one is 0, from there we will get the P value. So what we will get? We will get P square, that is equal to 8 into 300 R divided by 150 R. So it is coming 16. That means in this case pressure is 4 bar. Now what we have to do? We have to just put the value here and we will get the answer. So just put the value. If we just put the value in this case, P is 4. So this one is 600 R minus 300 R, that is plus 600 R minus 300 R. 300 R, 600 R cancel. The answer will be 600 R. I think option will be there, 600 R. See, this is the option, 600 R is the answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching. I will upload the next question very soon. Keep watching. Thank you very much.